In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing your accounts and want to clean up your list of customers, or you simply need to remove an entry, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can manage your database with ease. First, let's start by signing into your Zoho Books account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Zoho Books sign-in page. You'll see the option to sign in with Google, which can save you some time if you're already logged into your Google account. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to choose your account from the list that appears if you're signed into multiple accounts. Click on your desired account and allow for a moment, as sometimes it may take a little while to load depending on your internet speed. Patience is key, and soon you'll be inside your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should navigate over to the Sales tab. You can find it on the menu bar across the top. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll see Customers. Click on Customers to view the list of all the customers currently in your Zoho Books account. This is where we'll begin the process of identifying which customer you want to delete. In the customers list, browse through and click on the name of the customer you wish to remove. Clicking their name will direct you to their profile or details page. At this point, it's important to double check that you've selected the correct customer you intend to delete. Once you're sure, look for the checkbox next to their profile. Check this box to select the customer's profile for further actions. Now look above and find the three dots icon, which typically indicates more options. Click on these three dots and you'll see an option labeled Delete. Select Delete from this menu. Essentially, this action opens the final step in the removal process. A confirmation dialog may appear, prompting you to verify that you want to delete the customer. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove someone without intending to. Click Delete once more to confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a customer from your Zoho Books account. With these straightforward steps, maintaining a clean and organized list of customers in Zoho Books becomes a breeze. Remember always to be cautious and ensure that you have the correct permissions if necessary, especially in a shared business setting. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to manage your customers efficiently.